Hi there, I'm chiropractic Dr. Jared Wilson, and today I would like to talk to you about a critical core stability exercise concept called neutral pelvis and abdominal bracing, which goes hand in hand with another concept called diaphragmatic breathing. Together, these concepts are critical to understand to maintain when you're doing a day-to-day activity or an exercise to avoid injury to your spine. I have the model here that demonstrates the lumbar spine, the low back, in its neutral curve we call lordosis, and the pelvis here in a neutral, not pitched forward, not pitched back, but in a normal level position. We want to teach that to understand how to maintain those positions when you're doing an exercise. So I'll demonstrate these exercises or this concept in 3 different positions: laying on my back, on all fours, and standing. So please allow me to demonstrate. While laying on your back, take one hand, put it on your belly, and one hand under your back so you can feel what actually is occurring to your spine. What you want to do is flatten your back against your hand, and then you want to arch your back away from your hand. This is the extremes of pelvic tilting back and pelvic tilting forward. Important to understand those movements, but also important to know where the middle lies. So that way, when you find the middle, you can tighten your stomach muscles to keep that position neutral when you're doing exercises in this position. Next will be the all four position, also known as the quadruped position. We want to make sure that you're squared up, having your hands under your shoulders, having your knees under your hips. From this position, do a movement that's commonly referred to as the cat-cow or the cat-camel, whatever it is you need to call it to remember what we're doing. And so from this position, arch while looking down towards your knees, and then arch the opposite way, looking straight in front of you while trying to get the movement from your lower back. Arch one way, arch the other way, and then find the middle while looking straight down. That right there feels about middle to me. I'm going to tighten my stomach muscles and try to maintain this while I'm doing any exercise or any type of activity at home in this position. The next will be the standing position. While in this position, have one hand on your stomach and one hand on your back so you can feel what's actually happening in your lower back. Arch your pelvis one way and shift your pelvis the other way. Try to get the movement at your lower back. What I'm not doing is leaning forward, leaning back, bending my knees. Those we want to avoid. Just get the movement from your lower back, find the middle, tighten your stomach, and maintain this position in a neutral pelvic, abdominally braced position while you're doing any day-to-day activity standing or any exercise standing. Let me reiterate that this exercise and concept is part of a series of exercise videos called Core Stability Exercises that I'd love for you to check out.